Heyo, it's Teddy, and welcome back to my channel. Last week I said that I would do a gothic look for my friend Ken LeBlanc, and here it is, and this is what you asked for. I had so much fun doing this, and me and my editor came up with a character that you will meet very shortly. So without further ado, let's get on with the tutorial. Heyo, it is Teddy, or Shadow Teddy. It has been requested of me by the spirits to do a look of my true nature. And here it is. If you stay viewing for just a quick moment, you can learn how to do it too. And without further ado, let us get on with the tutorial. To start off, I start by priming my face. If you don't prime,
you will die.
Just kidding. That was a joke. As you can see how I am amused. Now that the flesh is primed for the sacrifice, we may begin our process. I don't have a foundation that is as white as the snow that my enemies will fall into, but instead I have some very light concealer, and that is what we shall use. This is perfect. I did my foundation off camera so I would not anger the spirits. Next we are going to The spirits are angry. Next we are going to contour. I attempted to look for my contour, but I realized that nothing was as black as my soul. So I will be using my Hit the Lights palette, using the shade that best suits. Next we will be highlighting. All whites are too pigmented, so I only found that the 35i palette has the perfect, purest white. You want to make sure that it blends in. To sharpen the knife that is our contour, we will be using our concealer again, like so. Next we are going to go into eyeshadow, and for right now I'm feeling a little more colorful, so I'm going to add some more color to my wardrobe. Gerard Way is quaking. To begin, we will be taking the black from our Hit the Lights palette and softly go over the lash line, like so. Hey babe!
Hey.
Up next we will start working on a wing shape, like so. Oh my god. Have you ever seen Black Swan?
Uh-huh.
That's what I look like right now. To get your wings as sharp as the claws of Satan, you must use your concealer with an angled brush, like so. Next, to obtain the optimal dark circles under our eyes, we shall apply the black eyeliner to our waterline. I apologize for the colors. I use concealer throughout the process to help mask my human form. Next, we shall take a liquid eyeliner to add accents. Or maybe spikes are more of your taste. Next, we are going to add a lower wing to our eyes, like so. Next, we will be lining our lips. Sorry for the color. Next, we shall fulfill the prophecy and make the void. For you mortals, I shall apply lipstick of black. Next, I will be doing a process on my beard to help make it black as well. This may take a while, and this may be fast-forwarded as to not anger the spirits. Next in the process is mascara to cover up our pigmented eyelashes. And our last step is to conceal the brows. Now, for increased metal, you may blend the eyeshadow upwards. And there you have it. You are now prepared to walk amongst the night. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you may be summoned by the spirits upon the next episode. And now the shadows call upon me. So there you guys have it. This was my first video where I did a request from someone. I'm open to challenges and just off-the-wall prompts or looks, and I will do whatever I can to the best of my ability. I actually learned quite a few new tricks upon doing this, so I enjoy learning very weird and new techniques. So don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, and go and follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. Also, you can add me on Snapchat to get a notification an hour before every episode drops. For the first 2 hours after the video drops, I will be replying to any and all messages on my Snapchat. So that's it for this episode, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, maybe view last week's episode, or see something that the spirits has called for you. Farewell.